made it, homie.
Yeah, what's up?
Well, I don't know. We were supposed to come here and fly planes, but you obviously didn't bring the planes.
Yeah, you see, I don't think that's gonna happen.
Why not?
Cause this friendship we have, I don't think it could go on anymore.
Why?
But it's hard to say, but there's just so much shit. Like, the thing you did to my dog,
Scruffy? You know that couldn't have been me.
definitely you.
Dude, come on. A lot of people like to shave dogs.
Okay,
think I
let's
could do
drop
that?
the dog thing. Let's see the other things you do. You wear shirts with weird things on them. You wear glasses from the 99-cent store. Like,
I'm poor, man. I only got about 99 cents to spend.
you know what? I made the decision, man. I'm sorry. It's done.
Whatever, man. You're a shitty flyer anyways.
Well, you know what? Fuck you. Nice meeting you, by the way.